traveled many lands, and I still can't understand how sad you have become on my return. Your poor heart is filled with care, sad I know they left you there. Your once bright eyes with sorrow softly burn. I can't even sense the change in the sound of children's games, and the dreams of youth's ambition have all turned to doubt and fear. It's an age of wealth, I'm told, but I've never felt so old as I recall old Dublin in my tears. All the faces that I meet as I roam each one-way street reflect the empty statement of our time. And the old cathedral bell can't be heard above the swell, for years arranged a message in her chimes. All my childhood friends are gone, like the street where I was born, and the time that it has taken doesn't seem so many years. They have faded in the gloom, like old Biddy from the coombe, like the ghost of the old Dublin in my tears. There were times when jobs were few, there were hungry days we knew, some days so bad the memory I've cursed. And a prayer I said to God there on board the Princess Maud, that our children would restore the pride we lost. But the past we all forsake while we're dancing at her wake, and the heart of Dublin's dying, but nobody really cares. And the fools as they pass by stop to see an old man cry. I can't forget old Dublin in my tears. Gather round, brave men and true, though their numbers may be few, we'll drink one toast before we cross the foam. For soon in London's dark domain I recall how I became no more a stranger there than here at home. But the Liffey flows along, and I listen for her song, and the voice of young Jim Larkin seems to echo in my ears. But it's just the rafters ring, to its requiem I'll sing. Farewell to dear old Dublin in my tears. Oh, I can't forget old Dublin in my tears.